Hi everybody, Robert here with brpautodesigns.com. Today we're going to be talking about the Trailcal from Superchips. Now, a few months ago we ended up getting the Pulsar tuning system that we installed on our 2020 Jeep Gladiator pickup truck. And so one of the things that we also installed was the Trailcal. Now, the Trailcal has a bunch of features, and I'm going to go through them and kind of show you guys how they work. And then I'm going to also show you guys more or less, or give you a quick review. So anyways, let's get started and I'll show you what we're talking about. Okay, so what I've done is I've actually got one here, and I decided to just show you guys what's in the box and what it actually looks like. So this is the box it actually comes in. As you can see, it's a pretty standard box. Shows you a few things here. All of the information's back here, kind of more or less what comes with it, and then other little features that are on it as well. You can see. So this looks a lot like the Trail Dash 2, but there is a difference. This is not a tuner. This is only a monitoring system. So this will monitor your entire system. You got a bunch of settings and features on this unit, but again, it is not a tuner. The tuner is actually the Pulsar unit, the module itself that you marry into your computer. This is just to add more features to that. So this again is not a tuner. The Trail Dash 2 is an actual tuner, but that's for later models. That's for the JKU. That will work, or the Trail Dash 2 will work for those. And that one does come with tunes. Again, like I said, this is for the JL and the Gladiator. And this, of course, is only this is only a monitoring system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, show you guys what's actually in the box. Oops, sorry, I'm clumsy here. Where is the opening? Here we go. So we'll open this up and show you what actually comes in the package. So first of all, you're going to get your owner's manual, or a little booklet. It has all your owner's manual and everything in it. As you can see, this comes with some cool little decals so you can put on your vehicle. Warning, and this is actually the owner's manual, which will kind of show you a bunch of the features that are on it. As you can see, and you got two other booklets. One is a quick install guide, very simple, very easy to install. As you can see, yeah, this was really easy to install. I didn't do a video on that because again, it's just there's already several out there, and it takes like 10 minutes to install. But this is just another booklet that shows all the accessories that are available from them. You can see different types of tuners. They've got the air intake. This is actually the Pulsar unit that we installed on our Gladiator, and like I said, this is for the JL and the Gladiator pickup. So anyways, just show you guys a little bit about this. So the actual Trail Dash, as you can see, is pretty much identical to the Trail Dash 2. This is the Trailcal, but it's identical to the Trail Dash 2. And again, you open it up, you go through it. There's all the extra goodies, which is your connectors, this for your computer, USB, and some zip ties. And I believe what's in here is actually, this is going to be your little, what do you call it, for the suction cup. Sorry. Again, doing it one-handed is not the easiest thing. So, yep, that's what all comes in the kit. So you should have everything here that you're going to need to install it. I've made a mess, so we'll just put this on here, and I'll get back to this later. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start showing you guys the features and go from there. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll walk over to the truck. As you can see, we've been out having a little fun. It's all dirty, boy. For those of you that don't believe we ever take it off-roading, there's the proof. But anyway, we're gonna walk up and show you guys the features and show you guys what it actually looks like with it running. You can see this is what it looks like installed. You ran the wire down here, runs alongside here, and it just plugs in. Now this stays plugged in. That's one thing that you will have to make sure. You have to leave it in there plugged in. And so let me get in here. We'll boot her up. You get the Trailcal lighting up. And like I said, this is almost identical to the Trail-2. Like I said, again, this is not a tuner. This is just a monitoring system. The Trail-2 is a tuner and monitoring system. So this will initialize. Give it a few seconds. Okay, and there we go. So as you can see, we've got the miles per hour. I actually keep it up there. I have the Trail-2 on our Jeep Wrangler, our JK, and I really got used to seeing it up there, just at closer to eye view. And so I do have it here, but I mainly keep it up here. So as you can see, I've got horsepower, throttle response. Those are my settings. Now you can click on here, and you can see you've got a bunch of features. You can let me try that. Go there, accessory settings, alert settings. There's so many nice features that this allows you to look at. And so maintenance, this will also give you the codes. If you have any codes that are popping up, you can get all of that on here. Get this here. There's your diagnostics. That was for if you're having any issues. Trouble codes. Let's see here. I'll roll up the window because kids in the neighborhood riding their skateboards. So this is for horsepower, and this, you know. So this is, you know, of course, if you've already got the tuner, you don't need to even deal with that. But okay. Continue. Okay, so you can check this out. Is it that way? You've got other features. Oh wait, no, let's go, keep going. So yeah, I mean, this thing is pretty cool. It has a bunch of features. A lot of things you can check out. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys more or less of what it looks like. Let me go home. Come on. Which way am I going? There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually drive it, show you guys what it looks like. Let me get it, put on my seatbelt. Okay. So this will allow you to calibrate your tires. It'll allow you to do a lot of things. I'm sorry, no, this will not. The Trail-2 will. This, the calibration is going to have to be from the Pulsar, but this will allow you to monitor everything else. Sorry, I made a hiccup there, but you can see. There we go. So yeah, you know, that's pretty much it. You know, those are the features. So yeah, now that you guys see the features, now you guys can kind of more or less get an idea of how that works. I love it. Like I said, I have the Trail Dash 2 on my Wrangler, and I'm just so used to using it and having all the everything right where I can see it. And so that's kind of why I like it. I just like knowing everything's okay, everything, I can just glance up there and it's there. I'm not having to look at my gauges down here. But like I said, you can get a lot of these features off the Trail Dash 2. This is the Trailcal. But yeah, now hopefully this will help you make an informed decision. If you guys think it's something for you, then you can go ahead and get it. But anyways, hope this helps you guys out. It's been a while and I wanted to make a video to kind of show you guys and share the product. If you guys like this video, hit like, share it. You know, we do appreciate it. I do apologize, my videos aren't 100% great, but I try to do what I can. Anyways, with that, I leave you guys. Hope you guys have a good day. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.